Good morning. This is lesson 168 for math for fourth grade, and we're going to be looking at pages 303 and 304. You do have two sections of homework. They're very short for 8 questions, or 4 for each section, and so we'll be going over what I want you to do on these pages. You do have today's review, tomorrow's general review, and then the final test on Friday. So we're gonna just take a look at a couple things. Oh, we've got a number 3 up there, right? What do we need to do first? Okay, well, I have Max, but Max brought another friend. So Max, who's your friend? Allie, what are you doing here? Oh, you're Max's friend. Okay, good. So I have always called this, and I think I may have shown this to you guys in class before, but I've always called this an alligator, and I've had other people tell me that it looks more like a dragon. So you can let me know the next time you see me what you think it is. But Allie, say hi to everybody. Hi. Oh, why'd you stick your tongue out at everybody? That's not very nice. Well, I guess you can't help it. Your tongue just kind of flew out of your mouth there. All right. Hi, everybody. I'm Allie. May not have the best voice for Allie because I haven't practiced these. But, Allie, we need to know how many days we have left. We had 3. So, how many days do you think we have left? 27. 27. Are you taking math lessons from Max? Yeah. All right, Max, don't give your friends math lessons. You don't know how to do math. Go ahead, but you just. All right, well, I guess the animals need to come to math class too sometime. All right, so Allie's gonna write our number for us. Oh, well, we need to have our number. So there were 3, we need to subtract 1. So 3 minus 1 is 4. No, that's adding. 2. Okay, yes, they're very good, 2. All right, so we're gonna write a nice big number 2, like that, very good. Put the marker back on so our marker doesn't dry out. Bye, everybody. Hi, Allie. All right, Allie's gonna go and we're going to get into some review, and then I'm gonna let you take your speed drill, then we're gonna look at the page. All right, we're gonna start with a rapid calculation drill. Let's see how well you guys do with this. Okay, 7 plus 8 divided by 3 times 8 plus 5 divided by 9 plus 3 times 7 plus 3 divided by 3 equals. Did you get 25? You should have gotten 25 because 7 plus 8 is 15, divided by 3 is 5, times 8 is 40, plus 5 is 45, divided by 5 is 5, or divided by 9 is 5, sorry, plus 3 is 8, times 9 is 72, plus 3 is 75, divided by 3 is 25. So then you got 75 and you think in quarters for that. Okay. All right, let's try one more. This one's a little tougher to start off with. 63 divided by 7 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4 times 5 plus 20 plus 4 divided by 11 equals. Did you get 4? Okay, you should have gotten 4. 63 divided by 7 is 9, plus 3 is 11, plus 4 is 16, sorry. Nope, plus 3 would be 12, I'm sorry, plus 4 is 16. Divided by 4 is 4, times 4 is 20, plus 20 is 40, plus 4 is 44, divided by 11 is 4. Okay, so that's how to do that one. All right, we're gonna do a couple of these, and so I'll give it to you like this. 42 divided by 6, 7, 40 divided by 5, 8. 18 divided by 3, 6. 54 divided by 6, 9. 15 divided by 5, 3. 30 divided by 5, 6. All right, we're going to switch to a different one. 6 times 9, 54. 9 times 12, 108. 12 times 12, 144. 7 times 12, 84. 10 times 11, 110. 3 times 7, 21. We're back at the beginning. All right. I'm going to let you go take your speed drill. You have 2 minutes for this speed drill. And when you come back, we're going to take a look at our page. All right, I hope you did well on that speed drill, and we're going to be taking a look at a couple things. First of all, with our decimal review, we need to look at our place value, okay? So with this, you want to make sure that you know the place value of each number. So the number let's see if we put, let's borrow our board here. I'll rewrite the 2 later. But we're going to use this. So if you have a number like this, okay, number like this, your the first number, the easiest one to identify is probably this 2, okay, because it is right before the decimal, okay. This is our ones spot, okay. All right, so that's our ones. And then we can go from there. We can say, okay, so the 8 is in the tens spot, right? The 7 is in the hundreds spot. Good. The 3 is in the thousands spot. Good job. Okay, so these ones are a little bit easier to identify. We've done these lots of times, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Those are pretty simple. Sometimes we put a 1 O-N-E in front of the thousands to show that it's the 1,000s place, because we have the 10,000s place and the 100,000s place. So sometimes we put that 1 just to remind us that that's just the 1,000s place. All right, but when we go this direction, we already have our ones place, okay? So we're gonna keep the same pattern going backwards, but we're not gonna use the 1 again, okay? So what would be the one after? What's this one? 8, and what's in the 8? Or what is the 8th place? 8. It's in the tens place, right? Okay, so the first place over here is 10, but instead of just being the tens, because it would be the same place, right? We have to add a TH, okay? So we have the 10th place, okay? Now, what's the next one? Hundreds, right? Okay, so the 4 is in what place? Hundredths place. Okay? Oh, I forgot that D. You're supposed to have the D in there. Okay, that's really messy. Hundredths, okay? What's this place? The next one is the thousands place, right? So then the 8 would be in the what place? Thousandths, okay? So the difference when we're going this way is that we start with the 10 and we add a TH. And then we move to the next one for this one and we add a TH. And we move to this one and we add a TH for the thousandths. We just skip the ones. That's the only one we don't repeat. Because one place kind of sounds weird. And to you may think to the 10th place and the 100th place sound a little weird, but those are what that's the place value of these. And so we want to make sure that we know those because these are very important. They're going to lead you in everything that you do in your life, okay? in your math that you work on, these things are going to be very helpful, okay? So on your page, we're going to be doing all of section 1, which I just showed you how to identify that, and then all of section 2. And what you're doing there is you're going to turn those words into numbers, okay? Turn the words into numbers. I don't think it looked quite like Allie's number, right? But that's okay. So you're gonna put the decimals where they need to go and the numbers where they need to go, okay? So the first one is 9/10. Okay, so the 9 is in the 10th place. Where's the 10th place? The number right after the decimal. So you're gonna put a decimal and you're gonna put your number 9. And that's your number, okay? So letter A in section 2, the first one is the decimal point and then the number 9, okay? And that's how that one is done. All right, so I'll let you do the rest of those. In section 3, I want you to pick 2 of them. In section 4, also pick 2. Section 5, we're gonna have you do all of those. Section 6, I want you to pick 4, but I want you to pick 2 that are addition and 2 that are subtraction, okay? And then turning the page over, section 7, do both of those. Those are review. Section 8, pick 2 of them to do. Section 9, I'm gonna have you do both of those. Story problems. One's about Roman numerals, and then the other one is about miles. Those should be pretty simple. Section 10, you may pick 1, make sure you do divide and check. And again, with this page, all 3 of them have a remainder, so it doesn't matter which one you do, you're gonna have some sort of remainder, okay? And then section 11 and 12 are your homework, so do all of those. The first is to reduce the fraction to the lowest terms. So you find what number can go into both numbers, divide both numbers, and get your new numbers for top and bottom. And then section 12 is to change to a mixed number. So you've got an improper fraction, bigger number over a smaller number, and you're going to see how many times a smaller number can go into the bigger number, okay? And then get your whole number and then a fraction after that. All right, so that's what you're doing. And so do your best. Tomorrow we'll get some area and perimeter review. And then Friday is the test. And guys, we are almost done. And so just keep working hard and we will see you in the next lesson.